I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me.
This video is sponsored by Wig Fever. They were kind enough to send us this cute wig. So we're gonna be working with this 13 by 6, 24-inch body wave wig. So I already went on ahead and plucked, bleached, all of that good stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and install this, and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve some super cute crimp. Using this is the Ebon Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray. This is the red one. I know they have a yellow one as well, but I haven't tried that one. I use this one and I love it. First, what we're gonna do is cut out our ear tabs. And the reason you want to cut your ear tabs off is just so that you can make sure that the wig is fitting, because if not, you're gonna have yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off our ear tabs. So when you cut your ear tabs off, it should look like this, nice and snug. So what I do to make sure that I have like my ear tabs cut out properly, where I'm not cutting too much, too little, I just lay the lace over my ear, and then I kind of just like would figure out where I would put my hair behind my ear, and that helps me to draw out like that section that needs to be cut off. Boom. And now your wig should be fitting you perfectly, ear to ear, nice and snug. So what we're gonna do is take spray, Ebon, however you want to pronounce it, and I just spray a little bit. It goes a long way with this product. So I just spray a little bit around my perimeter, and I'm gonna blow dry it on cool, because that helps it to dry 10 times faster, and it helps it to stick better. So I went on ahead and blow dried the hair, cut the lace off, all of that good stuff. And so what we're gonna do now is work on our baby hair. So we need to make sure the part is precisely straight, because y'all know how I feel about my parts. They got to be nice and straight. ahead and get into the crimping part. Crimping is very easy. It's easier than curling your hair to me. Just get a nice section, not too thick, not too thin. Well, it just really depends on like how you want your crimps to be. So I got my crimp iron. This is Hot and Hotter. I got this one from Sam's Beauty as well. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I believe it was only like $18. You don't have to have a super expensive one. What I'm gonna do is make sure that the section is nice and combed out. And you're just gonna take your crimping iron, hold it on there. I normally do about like 10 to 15 seconds depending on how thick the section is. So just gonna hold it on there. And then take it off in the last groove. Wherever you had that last barrel, you're gonna put the first barrel. I'm leaving where that last barrel was. I'm gonna stick that first barrel in that groove so that it's nice and uniform, because you don't want your crimps to look, you don't want them to look bad. You want them to look nice and uniform. So you're just gonna make sure that you're sticking where that last barrel is. You're gonna stick that first barrel in, and you're just gonna keep going down and repeating that. And this is what the first one looks like. I just love crimps.
Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own condo and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. Depend on me if I wanted to watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the honey, make you money.
Okay, lovely. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you to Wig Fever for sponsoring this video. So let's talk about the hair really quickly. What I did pluck the unit. I did bleach it. What I have to say about the hair is I think the ends are a little thin. It's not full all the way to the ends for sure, because I did trim a little bit, as you guys saw earlier. And I still think it's a little thin. I didn't receive any tangling, any shedding, nothing. The lace was really nice. It took me no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I crimp my hair. I actually really love crimps because when you comb it out, it just looks so fluffy and so pretty. Falling just a little bit. I love when it falls. I don't like for it to look like so individualized, if that's a word. I like it to just look as one. I'm trying this tutorial. Please let me know down in the comment section and let me know what you guys thought about this video. And as always, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.